From one hotel to another, Aruba is an island home to many hotels, but each of them has their own charm and unique qualities. Take the Bucuti and Tata Resort, for example. Not only is the property adults only, but they provide a more tranquil atmosphere compared to others. The Bucuti and Tata property is beautiful. One cannot deny this. Besides for the physical attributes, the quiet environment it provides to its guests is a unique aspect that helps guests to feel even more relaxed and truly on vacation. Perhaps the phrase "giving you the silent treatment" can be looked from a different perspective, a more positive one. The management team at Bucuti strives to ensure that there is peace, quiet, and serenity for their hotel guests. You won't be able to find any loud music on site, and since the property does not focus on group travelers or weddings, it allows Bucuti and Tata to offer their guests serenity and tranquility.